get the green plantains, desserts, special desserts. Oh, they got a typical platter, like a shashka, grilled New York steak, beefsteak.
Sopa del día. Nice. Oh, they have natural juices of mango or papaya.
That sounds good. The bandeja típica. I think I'll try that.
Yeah, that sounds good.
I'm going to get that because it's got everything. Carne asada, pomolida.
This is a nice restaurant. From the outside, you don't think much, but once you're inside, it's quite nice. And look at all the imports they have.
I know. Purple corn soft drink. Chicha morada. They got the mole. They got the jalapeno.
Thank you.
Look at that. Get the guacamole. Look at those corn chips. Look really homemade.
The sausage. The sausage is good.
Oh, yeah.
It goes well on anything.
Oh, so we can put it in chorizo.
Are these the same? These two? Those are the same. Okay. Spicy. Okay. And this is just full of flavor.
Is that like a chimichurri?
Chimichurri.
Oh, I love chimichurri. Try to chimichurri on chorizo.
The chorizo is really good.
Oh, it's bursting with flavor. Has a little kick to it. Something has a kick to it.
Everything has lots of flavor. Oh, beautiful.
Oh, the green plantain.
Green plantain. Shrimp and rice. Looks nice.
You know what can't be beat?
What?
Chimichurri with green plantains. Wow. So Anna's very happy.
I should try this.
With the chimichurri. That's my favorite.
Look at these.
That's a green fried plantain. Oh my god. Thank you so much.
Doesn't it look amazing? And look, this is
Wow.
the pork rind. That's the pork
Wow.
rind. It's like bacon.
Wow. Do you have enough chimichurri? Because it's good on the Tostitos. Tostones, not Tostitos. I'm getting confused.
That's so good.
I'm getting confused. It's Tostones.
That's so good.
Look at this food. Oh. This is the heaven, the meal from heaven. Okay, we got the egg,
Egg,
rice,
that.
pork rind, and beans.
And the pork rind is like bacon.
It's like bacon with a little extra crunch. Sweet plantains. That's the green plantains. Sweet, green.
Yeah.
You got both? I love chimichurri sauce. I'm a big chimichurri sauce guy. And I am a big beef guy. It's perfect.
It's good. This is so good. Like the peppers side.
I give Ann the corn cake. Very good.
The corn cake
She loves the corn cake.
is made without any kind of flour. It's just ground up corn.
Ground up white corn. Unbelievable. Right?
Oh, yeah.
What's the most typical Colombian dish? What I had? That was delicious. Like everything about it.
Thank you. And in the coast side of Colombia, is that rice and shrimp?
Oh, the rice. What I had.
Yeah.
Okay.
Seafood.
Hasta la vista, baby.